Okay, let's give this another try. Here's my hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to put 200 milliliters in. I have a mark on here to indicate 200 milliliters. I got my egg ready and my petri dish. Petri dish shows more rattles, more spectacular if the petri dish is dry and the top of the milk bottle is dry. So I'm going to add the teaspoon, half teaspoon of yeast. Okay, now the catalase in there is going to cause the yeast, the hydrogen peroxide to decompose. And you can see the foam as the oxygen is formed. And you can hear as the oxygen comes out, it causes a rattling of the petri dish, and you'll be able to tell when the reaction is pretty much complete. And it's producing water, water vapor, and oxygen. And the light, a splint, to demonstrate that the gas formed. Okay, it's not glowing, so let the glowing splint test. Okay. Okay, that worked. You can do this over and over again, but I want this to fill with oxygen, and then it will react with the splint, causing partial vacuum. As the water vapor condenses, that will cause more of a partial vacuum, and that will cause the rubber water balloon to be sucked or pushed into the container. Okay, I have a little glow here. It's kind of neat when it sparks up. Now let's see if I could put this balloon on without dropping it. I don't think you'll have trouble. I have a little bit of a tremor. And so the reaction is slowing down as the hydrogen peroxide gets consumed. Okay, let's give it a try. Gas is coming out first because of the heat, and now it's being sucked in. Very spectacular, I think. A nice way to demonstrate the egg in a bottle, but without using an egg, and by using a splint and hydrogen peroxide. So I hope you enjoyed that demonstration, and I hope you can find it useful for your classes. And do remember that when you pour the you can get the egg out. You have to get the side with the stem on it and just pull it, and the so-called egg can be used over and over again. So thank you for your attention, and I'll see you next time.